GBATAHA. Please search for it. Bambakada atòròmbiri in the car workshop. Bambakada atòròmbiri in the car workshop. Bange angbagida nwai adunga mbatara tiniya. How many bicycles are there without their seats? Sa we biata. 1, 2, 3. Mibi angbagida biata adunga mbatara tiniya. I found 3 bicycles without their seats. Yamo kamubi ngbako. Can you find a hammer? Yes. Sa we biata biama bishwe. Angbako lidungura mibira bishwe. There are many hammers. I found 3. Mugbatanga azogbo. Please find chains. Azogbo. Sa we biata biama bishwe. Mibi azogbo bishwe. I found 5 chains. Mobingo parawaji na sukaji. Do you find a brush and a pump? Yes. Udure. It is here. Parawaji dure. Here is a brush. Sukaji dure. Here is a pump. Ya mobingo kurahe ho rogogi surare kani wiliki paharogo Pazande. Do you find anything in this picture that we can learn it in Pazande? Ani wilikinga limo ahebelewe Bambakada atòròmbiri rogo Pazande. Let us learn again the names of things in the car workshop in Pazande. Sukaji, a pump. Parawaji, a brush. Azogbo, chains. Mbako, a hammer. Mbata, that is a seat. Mbatara, that means their seat. Angbagida, it is a plural for bicycles. Usa ngangbagida, when it is one, it is called a bicycle. When there are many, we call angbagida, bicycles. Bambakada atòròmbiri in the car workshop.